How to log out Netflix on phone. Now if you wish to log out of your Netflix account on phone, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix app, and here you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. So let me also go ahead and select my profile, enter its PIN and log into that profile as well. But either way you can see that I'm currently logged into my account. So to log out, you can tap on your profile icon from the bottom right, then again tap on the three lines option located at the very top right hand side. Then when you tap the three lines option from the bottom, you will see a pop-up menu. From the pop-up menu, you just have to tap on the sign out button as you can see there, and once you tap on sign out, it will ask you if you're sure you want to sign out. So of course you can just tap on the sign out button right here to be able to sign out of your Netflix account. This way you'll be able to log out Netflix on phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.